This is Varsha's Education Academy. In this session, we are going to see the problems based on superheterodyne receiver. In our last session, we have seen the concept regarding the superheterodyne receiver. This is a very important topic in communication system for all competitive exams. In this session, we are going to cover the problems based on the formulas what we have derived in our last session. See the first problem. In a superheterodyne receiver, if FIF is 450 kilohertz. What is this FIF? Intermediate frequency. So intermediate frequency is 450 kilohertz and its signal frequency is 1000 kilohertz. Then find the local oscillator frequency and the image frequency. Find the local oscillator frequency and the image frequency. Now I just wrote the given details, that is FIF is equal to 450 kilohertz, FRF, that is signal frequency, which is equal to 1000 kilohertz. Then we are going to find the local oscillator frequency. What is the formula we have derived? So local oscillator frequency is equal to FRF plus FIF. So 1000 plus 450. What we are getting? 1450 kilohertz. So for image frequency, the derived formula is FRF plus 2 into FIF. FRF plus 2 into FIF. So FRF is 1000 kilohertz, that is signal frequency, plus 2 into intermediate frequency. So our final answer is 1900 kilohertz. So 1900 kilohertz is the correct answer for the given question. This is a question asked in IES 2008. Right? So this concept is very simple. First we should remember only these two formulas. Then we can able to solve any kind of problems. First we should understand the concept of the question. Then we can solve any kind of problem. Even they asked some tricky problems also we can solve using these two formulas alone. See the first formula they have given. Local oscillator frequency is equal to RF frequency plus intermediate frequency, right? Instead of that, if they are asking intermediate frequency, then they will give that local oscillator frequency and the RF frequency. Then FIF is equal to FLO minus FRF. Right? Okay. Then we will see the next problem. In a superheterodyne receiver, if the intermediate frequency is 10.7 MHz, the carrier frequency is 89.6 MHz, the image frequency is. See, the intermediate frequency is given as 10.7 MHz. And that is carrier frequency is also called as signal frequency, that is RF, is equal to 89.6 MHz. They are asking us to find the image frequency. So the image frequency is equal to FRF plus 2FIF. So we are getting 89.6 plus 2 into 10.7, which will give us the value of 111 megahertz. So the image frequency what we have obtained is 111 megahertz. See the third problem. A superheterodyne receiver with an intermediate frequency of 450 kilohertz and it is tuned to a signal frequency at 1100 kilohertz. The image frequency is. See, this question is asked in IES 2016, that is ESE 2016. So F image is equal to FRF plus 2 into FIF. The same formula we can use it in all kind of problems. Only those three formulas are essential to solve any kind of problems related to superheterodyne receiver. See, F image is equal to RF frequency plus 2 into intermediate frequency. So 1100 plus 2 into 450, which gives us the value of 2000 kilohertz. This is our final image frequency. See this question number 4. In superheterodyne receiver, the intermediate frequency is 450 kilohertz. If it is tuned to a signal frequency of 1200 kilohertz, the image frequency will be. In a super heterodyne receiver, the intermediate frequency is 455 kHz. If it is tuned to a signal frequency of, see, tuning frequency, signal frequency, RF frequency are all same. That is FRF. So FRF is equal to 1200 kHz. They are asking us to find the same image frequency. The same formula we have to apply. RF frequency plus 2 into intermediate frequency, which gives us the value of 2110 kHz. 2110 kHz is the image frequency of the given question. See, these three are the important formulas regarding this super heterodyne receiver. Please make a note of it. These three formulas are important. Please make a note of it. On seeing these three formulas, you can solve any kind of problems based on super heterodyne receiver. But please read the question carefully. Now we will see our next problem. That problem is somewhat tricky related to the super heterodyne receiver, but you can easily solve using these three formulas alone. It is a problem from GATE 2014. See the question first. A super heterodyne receiver operates in the frequency range. See, they have given the frequency band 58 to 68 MHz. The intermediate frequency is FIF and the local oscillator frequency is represented as FLO. And see the condition they have given, that is intermediate frequency should be less than or equal to local oscillator frequency. It is required the image frequency fall outside the frequency band. They have mentioned the image frequency should be fall outside the frequency band, that is 58 to 68 MHz. The frequency required, the intermediate frequency வந்து minimum range கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, this is the great question asked in 2014. Now we will see the solution. First we are writing the given data, that is RF frequency range is 58 to 68 MHz. See here, image frequency formula is FRF plus 2 into FIF, right? That image frequency should be greater than the 68 MHz. Should be greater than 68 MHz. Why we are saying it is greater than? Because in question they have mentioned it is fall outside the frequency band. So I have considered it is greater than 68. So 58 is our RF frequency, right? So 58 is our RF frequency and this IF we are going to find. So 68 minus 58 we are getting the value is 10. So 2IF is greater than 10. So 2IF is greater than 10. So FIF is greater than 5 MHz. So the minimum required frequency is 5 MHz. So the final minimum required intermediate frequency is 5 MHz. That is what we have derived. Right? Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are having doubts, please mention it in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.